Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on the CoinMarketCap application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CoinMarketCap application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be able to see the login as well as create an account button. To log into your existing account, tap on the login button and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, if you created your account using your Google or your Apple account, you can tap on the respective buttons and simply select your respective account to log in. Otherwise, go ahead and type in your email address within the email address box and then enter your account password. Finally, tap on the login button and now you will be logged into your account on the CoinMarketCap application. And now you can immediately start using it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the CoinMarketCap application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.